Subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for endless videos on motovlogs, product reviews and much more.
Every brother that's caught in the crossfire, that's caught in the crossfire.
वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एवरीवन। सो आज का इंट्रो थोड़ा अलग टाइप से था एंड आज क्लीन शेव होके आया हूँ। सो टुडेज राइड विल बी समथिंग स्पेशल बिकॉज SK भाई इज लीविंग फॉर हिज साउथ इंडिया टूर टुडे एंड मी एंड ऋषि विल बी एस्कॉर्टिंग हिम टिल सिमडेगा विच इज अराउंड 150 kilometers फ्रॉम रांची. Then we'll return back and SK Bhai will continue to his South India tour which is till Kanyakumari and then he'll head back. It will take around 1 month of his tour, so hope for the best and wish him good luck.
तो अभी सबको आ चुके हैं ऋषि, SK भाई और SK भाई के ब्रदर सौरिश भाई, उनके डैड आए हुए हैं. बाइक कुछ इस तरह लग रही है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा लगेज है एंड कंट्रोलिंग में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, बट लेट्स सी, होप फॉर द बेस्ट. So now we are at the outskirts of Ranchi and Khunti is more 20 kilometers from here. From there we will take a ride which will take us to Lohardaga road and from there straight till almost I think more than 130 kilometers, something like that, to Simdega. So right in front of me SK Bhai all loaded. Bike अच्छी दिख रही है but at the same time it is a bit riskier. So we have just crossed Khunti and from Khunti we have taken this right turn. The road is absolutely silky smooth. I don't know how long it will continue and also I have to fuel up. Okay, so done with the fueling and SK Bhai and Rishi have already left, so I have to catch up fast.
So completed 100 kilometers and more 60 kilometers for Simdega. Ride बहुत ज़्यादा जल्दी ख़त्म हो रहा था, तो we are thinking of extending the ride till Jharkhand border, but let's see सब क्या बोलते हैं. And we have just taken a break to just hydrate ourselves. Look at this mountain behind me. It's completely straight, it looks like statues are standing there.
So right now I'll be riding this KTM Duke 390 of Rishi. I have ridden the RC 390 and the Duke 250 but इस पे पहली बार है, so देखते हैं कैसा परफॉर्म करती है बाइक.
All of a sudden I've been feeling so lonely and I just don't know why. Could it be all of these phonies telling me all these lies? Maybe it is all my ex-girls saying that I wasn't shit, and all those times that it felt real, they was all counterfeits. What if I had a second chance and I could just go back? Man, I do it all again and again. Regrets not even in my vocab, cause I'm living every second like this one could be my last. Never fall a victim to the cash or the glass. Live it up, when you die then give it up. If there's anything I've learned, it's I can never get enough. Boy, I'm greedy, so greedy, it's time that you believe me. The avarice can get me on your TV and your CD, I'm a maverick. Thanks for all your topics, I ain't having it. Heard of all your talking, but I'm sick of all that blabbering. I had to win, won't settle till I get that gold medal. My feet are gone to red from stepping on these rose petals. And these people talking like we foreigners, making hits easy like girls up at them street corners.
I'll be walking on clouds when you see me, and you're never gonna bring me down. Cause we've all made mistakes and you're easy to replace. So look who's laughing now.
Tell me how to live, tell me how to separate myself from other kids. And if I write rhymes, will that make me popular?
So we have reached Kolaveda, and on the way there was not a single dhaba or restaurant, anything. So we have just stopped here to have something, most probably some biscuits or chips, and then we'll proceed again. Road was nice, but कहीं पर पूरी तरह से बिगड़ा हुआ था road. So we have to do a lot of off-roading also today, but that's nice.
I'll be fine, do it in my own. All I need my heartbeat to be that metronome.
So we have reached Simdega and done around 140 kilometers from Ranchi. So there's a change in plan that we'll be proceeding ahead. We'll not be returning from Simdega. We'll go till Jharkhand border, and from there we'll be taking a return journey to Ranchi, and Sk Bhai will continue to his Kanyakumari trip, but today's halt he'll be taking in Sambalpur. So now we are looking for any hotel or dhaba good enough to eat, but रास्ते में तो कोई भी नहीं ढंग का मिला ढाबा, but let's see, शायद आगे जाकर मिले.
And we are the reason you don't look no more. Man, I'm moonwalking on clouds. Look me at my dude, how much you talk about now? You say that we just take the rhythms from the mainstream. I agree, but I target it for the brain stream. So when I told you I was lonely, yeah, that was the old me.
I'll be walking on clouds when you see me, and you're never gonna bring me down.
So done almost 200 kilometers and we are in Odisha. Right behind me is the gate of Jharkhand. It says Jharkhand Rajya mein aapka swagat hai. This is Odisha and that is Jharkhand. And after a long search, we finally found this small restaurant. Simple sa hai, chota sa. So we'll have a lunch over here and then we'll move to Ranchi, and Sk Bhai will move forward to Sambalpur. So I got a call from my father and he told that it's about to rain in Ranchi, and यहाँ पर इस तरह से गर्मी है, मतलब बैंड बजा दी है बॉस. रियली आई मीन फरवरी एंडिंग है और पूरी तरह गर्मी है. क्या पी रहे हो? दारू 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 पानी है पानी. सो डन विद आवर लंच एंड Sk भाई अब यहाँ से उड़ीसा की तरफ जाएंगे टू कन्याकुमारी एंड वील हेड बैक होम. सो हमारा सफ़र इनके साथ यहीं तक का था. Sk भाई अब जा चुके हैं संबलपुर की तरफ एंड हेड बैक होम. काफ़ी लगेज है उनके साथ तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, बट होप फॉर द बेस्ट. ही वॉज प्लानिंग अ लॉट फ्रॉम पास्ट 1 month. ही वॉज प्लानिंग एवरीथिंग एंड पैकिंग अप हिज लगेज. सो अब चले गए. जस्ट प्रे दैट अच्छे से राइड हो जाए उनकी एंड वील हेड बैक रांची. अभी तो सेम रूट है तो कुछ दिखाने को है नहीं रास्ता में. So I'll probably end the vlog here and ride safe, wear your helmets, take care and goodbye.